Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my bathroom makeover. I was a little bit tired of looking at the same bathroom, and I wanted to do something different. And the best part is, it was only $5 to remodel my bathroom. I am so excited to share this video with you guys. If you are new to my channel, I make cleaning motivation, home decor, home organization, and lifestyle videos. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to share with you my YouTube journey. Now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we get started, you're gonna want to turn off your hot and cold water. Then step number 2 is to unscrew the water lines. And step number 3, to unscrew the faucet from the countertop. If you're thinking of remodeling your bathroom, this is also a great time to clean underneath the faucet, because as you can see, it gets really disgusting underneath there. And I have the perfect solution to get that section back to sparkly clean. You're gonna use your magic sponge. As you can see, I am using it right now. It's gonna take most of it off, but it's not gonna take everything off. So I'll show you again in a minute the next step.
One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home.
Next, you're gonna want to sprinkle some Barkeeper's Friend. You can find this at Target or Walmart, and it's only like $2.99. Now you're gonna use a toothbrush or any kind of brush that you can find to scrub a little bit.
That's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 I don't believe you, no, Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no.
Okay, once it's dried, go ahead and put the Barkeeper's Friend, but now in the liquid form. And trust me, you're gonna love the liquid form. It's gonna remove everything. Faucets, I'm going to also be using this one, the liquid form, and also with a toothbrush. I'm going to go ahead and clean it really good. This is where you want to spend most of your time, because you want this faucet to be as clean as possible, so when you spray paint it, it doesn't get the spray paint doesn't get on top of like the dirt. It'll look really gross.
Thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the
look how clean it looks. It's shiny, it looks beautiful, it looks brand new. If you don't want to spray paint it, you can also just go ahead and clean it with this, and it's going to leave it super shiny as I'm showing you.
'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you?
Now they are ready to be spray painted. You want to protect your floor, so put anything down, any plastic that you don't like, put it down so it doesn't ruin your floors. And this is the spray paint that I'm going to be using. It is a gold one. I found it at Walmart, and I believe it was like $3.99. I love this brand, and this is the brand that sticks to stainless steel stuff.
Reappear, things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold.
Now I'm gonna just let them dry, but look how pretty they look. I love how they turned out. I had no idea they were gonna look like this. So then I decided, hey, my trash can is looking pretty ugly. What if we spray paint it? And we did, and it looks so good. Can't wait to show you guys in the end. Right here, I'm already putting the knobs back, and look at them. I'm giving you a little preview. Don't they look so cute? Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of makeover. If you like the gold knobs and the gold faucet, let me know.
Got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz.
To put the faucet back, you're gonna wanna do all the steps I told you, but now reverse. So now you set down the faucet, you go underneath, and now you tighten the water lines, and then you go ahead and turn on your water, and everything should be running fine.
Can't undo what I've done, completely out of luck.
Here is the spray can I used. It's a gold color, and it gives you a metallic finish. I found it at Walmart for like $3.99. But right now, I'm also going to show you that you can find the same knobs at Home Depot or Lowe's. These are from Home Depot. And each knob, it was like $4. So if you spray paint it, you're going to be saving yourself a lot of money. Okay, so now I'm showing you guys the trash can. Let me know in the comments what you think about the trash can. I was already going to throw it away because it was so disgusting already. But I'm like, hey, gold, it looks really cute. I might just keep it a little bit longer. But let me know in the comments what you think. This is how my bathroom turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think. So we painted the faucets and we painted the little knobs. Let me know if you like it. It adds like a little pop of color and I love it. I only did it in my bathroom. I'm not going to do it throughout my house. I just wanted this bathroom to pop a little bit more. So that's why I decided to just do it in this one. Let me know in the comments if you liked today's video, what you thought about it, and if maybe you're going to give it a try.
This time I'm stuck in reverse. Gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear?
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit the like. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps me know that you are liking this kind of content and that I should create more. Thank you again so much for all your support. And I'll see you again on my next video. Bye.